In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI for homework help. This is a quick way to get explanations, examples, and guidance while studying. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude for help with a homework question. For example, I might type, "Explain how photosynthesis works in simple terms." After typing the prompt, I'll click the send button. Claude will generate an explanation of the topic, helping me understand the concept. If I have a specific problem, I can include it directly in the prompt. For example, I might type, "Help me solve this math problem step by step." Claude can also help by breaking down complex topics, giving examples, or summarizing information to make studying easier. If I need more clarification, I can ask follow-up questions to explore the topic further. And that's it. I've successfully used Claude AI to help with homework. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.